How to delete Roblox account permanently. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Launch a preferred browser and in the search bar search for roblox.com/support. You'll be redirected to the Roblox Contact Us form where you need to fill out it by using your username, first name, email address. Confirm your email address. Then in the issue details, select on the Please Select option and select the device you are facing an issue. In the Help category, select on Data Privacy Request. Again, select on Other Privacy Request. In the description of issue, just type in, I would like to delete my Roblox account permanently. You can be creative with it or copy as it is. Then select on the Continue button. Roblox will review this form and will reach out to you via an email. Follow the instruction provided by the instructor of Roblox team of support. That is how you'll be able to delete your Roblox account permanently. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to us.